Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to do a system restore on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you have accidentally messed up your computer and it's not working fine, I'll tell you the best way to restore back to the earlier settings, earlier point of time where it was working absolutely fine. So even if you have not created a restore point, you can try and check, because sometimes computer and applications also create restore points. So you can try the restore point and see if that works for you. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of issues. Alright, so here in the search bar, just type restore and you will find recovery. Either you can type restore or you can type recovery, whatever works for you. You just need to click on recovery and you will get a window like this. And you will find undo recent system changes but leave files such as documents, pictures and music unchanged. So I'll click on open system restore. Here it says restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So I'll just click on next, and here I find that I have two restore points. So this is on today and this is on 18th of October. So if let's say if my computer is not working today, I have some issues, so I can go back to the earlier point of time and I'll just select and click on next, and the whole system, you just need to follow the online instructions next, and then you just need to restart the computer and your computer will be back to the same settings on that particular date. And see if your computer is working fine or not. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.